Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be replacing this differential oil on this F150 97 4.2 liter rear wheel drive. So pretty simple. Right here on this differential, it hasn't been changed for probably 5 years, but it's really easy. All you have to do, since this one don't have a drain plug, you gotta remove all these bolts around here and pry off this cover, and after that the oil will leak out. So let's do that real quick. All right, so these bolts are 13 mil. Let's real quick take these off. So next thing, we're gonna take a screwdriver and then we're gonna jam this right there in between and slowly pry off just enough to drain this oil out. You want to drain it slowly, because if you would open all that, it would just make a big mess. All right. As you can see, cover is removed and there is a gasket, or what was a gasket. We're gonna remove that. All right, so we don't have a gasket. What we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this gasket maker, high temperature, that is oil resistant. We're gonna apply all around. All right, so we're gonna place this back how it was. Make sure the surface is all clean, and let's install. So we got all the bolts tightened. Sealant is still setting. Now it's time to fill it up. So what we're gonna fill it up is this Valvoline 75W140. So we're gonna fill it up. This differential takes about 2.8 quarts. I got 3. So let me show you how to do it. So right here is your fill up and drain, fill till it leaks port. So it's like a 3/8 drive extension. You can stuff it in there and unbolt it. So in my case, I cannot unbolt that. It's stuck in there and I'm having problems taking it off. So how do you fill up this differential? So right here on the top there is a sensor and there is a hole. I don't know if you can see it right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill up through there, and since I already know that it takes about 2.8, 3 quarts will not hurt at all. So let's just fill it up. Let's stuff it in the hole, as you can see, and just squeeze it all the way in. It's gonna leak a little bit, but that's not a big deal. We have way more than we need in my case. All right, so everything is tightened down. We serviced differential, put the oil in, and I like to go back again, retighten these just to make sure. I'll put the torque somewhere in the video just so you guys can see what the torque is for these. I hand tighten them, and then of course make sure you put the sensor back on, wash this off, and then recheck this differential every once in a while. Make sure it's not leaking, because you do not want to run dry on this differential. Like I said, we didn't use the gasket, we didn't have it, but we used the RTV sealant. That should be enough. Like I said, that's a pretty simple install, guys. Pretty easy how to do it. If you like this video, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.